So before this video gets started, if you want a super easy way to make money right now, there's an app called GetUpside. They pay you money to upload a picture of your gas receipt every time you go to the gas station, you fill up gas. All you have to do is go to one of the gas stations in the app, take a picture of your receipt, and you'll get up to 25 cents back per gallon that you fill up. So I'm talking like a couple bucks back every single time you fill up gas. And if you use my link and code, you'll get an additional 15 cents back per gallon. So that means on the first time you fill up, you'll get up to 40 cents back per gallon. I use it, and you can redeem the cash for Amazon gift cards, Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, PayPal money, or just sent directly to your bank account, or even a check sent to your door. Yeah, even a check sent to you. But yeah, the app is called GetUpside. Please use the link. You will not regret it. Stop paying full price for gas. And yeah, you can start making money today. So use the link down below. Okay, now let's get on to the video. Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. So I just wanted to make this quick announcement that PlayOctopus is now back. So they did go on pause for a couple of months from the COVID-19. And if you guys know, I am actually an affiliate partner with PlayOctopus. So yeah, I do some brand content for them, and they're the tablet company. They pay Uber and Lyft drivers up to $100 a month. They help drivers make a ton more tips, get higher ratings. I use PlayOctopus. It's a tablet that you put right here, and passengers can play games on it. So they paused shipping out new tablets. They were still, in session. Drivers could still have the tablet in the back seat, but they just weren't shipping out new tablets. Excuse me, that want to clarify that they didn't stop. They're still going. They just weren't, actively signing up new drivers. But now they're back, as Uber and Lyft's traffic has been picking back up. You guys know me. I actually went out and drove Uber the other day. I made a video on that. You can go watch it. And yeah, so I'm gonna leave a link down below for PlayOctopus. They are an amazing tablet company. I've actually gone to one of their parties that they threw here in Los Angeles that they hosted for us. It was a really good time. I'll throw up a picture if I can find it. I met the team in person. I've been talking to the team on the phone. They're really great. They're a really great company, very driver friendly, driver forward. You can pause it at any time. It's a totally free tablet they send you. Includes a data plan, so you don't need to hook it up to your Wi-Fi or anything, and your passengers can play games on it. And it's just an all-around good time. But I just want to make this quick announcement because they did email me recently telling me that now they're shipping out new tablets again. So if you did apply in the past, go ahead and go back online and finish your application. Make sure again just to use my link and to do that. Or if you want to start, if you're a new Uber driver, a new Lyft driver, or if you just never got the tablet put in your back seat, they do have a way to do contactless trivia games, so drivers don't need so passengers don't need to touch the tablet, I believe. And then also sanitization products, and also they will be shipping out a free mask with every tablet now, which is awesome. So they're awesome. Yeah, I highly recommend it. The only thing I would say of caution is to make sure that thing is kept clean, because it is a tablet. And you could also tell your passengers, hey, by the way, I wiped it down with a sanitizing wipe or something, if they do want to play the games. And I'm sure the passengers will be more than happy to play the games. And yeah, honestly, it is pretty fun. The trivia games are pretty fun. But yeah, just want to make this announcement. Thank you guys for watching. They're in most markets, so definitely something not to sleep on if you want to increase your income while you're out doing rides as a rideshare driver. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, guys. And again, use the link down below for GetUpside as well to get cash back on your gas fill-ups. Talk to y'all soon. Have a great day. Bye, guys.